Okay, this is not shown. Just make it like a circle. Let's make start from the center. Okay, I want to make the dimension for it, so I will make a rapid dimension. Select this one. I will make the 30. Press enter, and there was the circle again with the 44 diameter. So this one, like the dimension, it is the 44. So this 44 is the reference line here. You see this line. So in order to convert this line, this is the active line. So in order to convert to this one, you see when it will become red, select it one. Sorry, select this one. You see here the convert to the reference. So I converted it to the reference line. Here I forgot with the with the dimension of this big one. Yes. Don't worry, I am recording. So next line, next circle. Let's make it 60. So let's locate now these small circles with the diameter of the 10. So here I will select the circle. Let's draw the circle here with the diameter of the 10, and I want to locate it here. So I will go to the here more. Here we have the function. We will see all of them within this week. Just don't worry about this. Here we have the point on the curve constraint, and I want to make this point that coincides with this line also coincident with this x-axis. So I located it here. Now I want to make these circles. So there is a 6. So I will not draw all of them step by step. Here in the sketch we have function of the pattern, the curve. So we will increase the number of the curves. So here we have to select the curve, this one, and we have the layout, circular layout and linear layout, general layout. In this case we have the circular layout, and we specify the point, this rotation center point. You see it is the created. The number is here is exactly 6, and it is divided into 660 degrees. So each of the distance is 60 degrees. So press OK. You see it is the created. This one. Now I will draw this one with the diameter of the 10 and 30 millimeters of the circles in the upper part. So circle, it is exactly with the same axis of this one. So you see additional line here and 2 lines. So I will go to dimension. This is the 10, and this is the 30. And let's define the distance between these circles. It is the 46 here. So I will select this point, and this point is the 46. So it is located, and let's define these 2 arcs here with the radius of the 8 millimeters. In order to do this, I will use here the arc. Let's make it with the 3 points. It is more convenient. So this point and this point, this arc, and this point, this point. Let's define the dimension. So dimension was the radius of the here 8 millimeter. So we can go to the constraint, geometric constraint, and make the tangent, this one and this one tangent. This is here all of the tangency. You see the symbol here. So that's okay. and make the dimension for the second arc here. Rapid dimension. Sorry. Okay, rapid dimension. Okay, we can make directly the radial dimension, just 8 millimeter. So let's go again the geometric constraint. Make the constraint this point with this point. Now it is okay. So let's go here. You see the open, there is no line, so we will make the trim here. So in order to do, we will go here quick trim. So just delete this one, and I think this one also. So you see our part is finished with the upper part. Let me in the 1% here. Now is to draw this part here. So we have here with the diameter of the 22 smaller circle, and the bigger is the 36. They are the symmetric. So here draw the circle. The 22 and the 36 second one. Since this one is symmetric and distance between 100, so distance between this center point to this point is half of the 100. So let's define it. Go to the rapid dimension. Distance between this one and this one is the 50. Sorry, is the 50 millimeter. And since we can make the mirror of this element, we have the mirror function here. So we will see this one, mirror. So we have to select the curve to mirror this curve and this curve, and we have to select here the center line to make the mirror, in this case this y-axis. So you see it is the mirror. Press OK, and let's again see we have here the connection with the radius of the 100 arc. So let's draw this one. So we have go to the arc with the 3 points. So this point, press OK. Let's define the dimension. The radius is the 100. So we can check the tangency, geometric constraint, the tangency between this one and this one, so it becomes the tangent. Here we have already the tangent. You see that this symbol, for example, if I make the tangent this one and this one, it goes the alarm. So this is the constraint already exists. So and make this last arc with the radius of the 8 millimeter. In order to do this, I will activate again the arc and select this point and this point, and this point. Just I draw it, and let's define the dimension. It is the 8 millimeter. So here no tangency, so let's make it tangent. So press this one, so it becomes tangent. And the same way here, it is the 8 millimeter. So let's make it tangent. This one and with this one, so it is okay. So almost we have finished it. Now we have to make some trim operations, since you see here there is no lines here. Okay, in order to do this, let's open here the quick trim. So I will make the quick trim, just trims the unnecessary parts until the intersection. You see, if I select here, it will trims until the here. So you see, sorry, just we can start from this part, go to the trim, this one, you see it's deleted, and this one, you see it is the deleted. So I think it is the finished. We have finished with the, and you can make the finish the sketch in order to see the result here. This is how the sketch is obtained with the dimensions and constraints. So we will see how to put the dimension and constraints in the coming lessons.